we're back at it with a new car this week. We're working on Jamin's S13, and we're going to start off with the manual conversion because the auto sucks and it's nearly gone.
Burnout test before we do the manual conversion.
We've got our manual box here, and then up on the bench we just have a huge assortment of all the parts we need.
Clutch pedal, clutch master, lines, clutch slave, clutch fork, dust cover. Freshly machined flywheel, clutch, shifter, boots, shifter surround with a new boot.
Are we changing any wiring?
Yep, I don't know what wires though.
I definitely can't do it in my car.
Keep going. No, that's it. Oh wait, a little bit more? Nah, let's hit this way bar. What?
Wait. No, we're right.
Yeah, just push it. Alright, Jack.
That's probably just about as much fun as we did.
Yeah.
Go lower it, see if I can.
I'm not doing it.
Lower it. Do it. Lower it.
No!
Lower the car.
No, that's stupid.
Lower the car.
No, don't. The compressor needs to be replaced and we're going into winter.
You reckon just get rid of the gas? Is it the original gas though? It's gonna probably kill us all if we just let it out.
Look, let's try and take the compressor off the motor. We'll do that last.
And then you'll have more power.
No, I mean like without unbolting the lines.
Yeah, okay.
Oh yeah,
if we can do it, the way you do it then.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's a way to do it. It's a little like secret.
Sweet ant wiring. What's going on with the active cable there? Or is that your neutral?
Hopefully nothing. Which one?
Is this the neutral?
Yeah, that's the ground.
Why is it red? Why is it red?
And look at
Why is that black? So all our interior parts we're just going to have in one spot. Just there on the ground. What are we doing for lunch? I'm starving.
It's not lunchtime yet.
I'm hungry.
Keyboard slave.
You're gonna make me work?
Eat when I tell you to eat.
Do you really want me to go home right now? Think about that for a second.
What are we doing, Jacob?
So if you hop in the passenger seat here,
Yeah.
I'm just gonna push this whole shifter out here. It's ready to come out.
Alright.
The spacer will just come up so you can pull it out pretty much. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, that gives us a bit of light in here too.
I reckon you need new belts on this. We do, but we're not paying for anything on this motor.
Yeah, I'm getting pretty hungry.
Yeah, I'm getting hungry as well.
Alright,
We need to decide what to do
We're
for
getting
lunch.
pizza or?
We can do that.
I can we just get a shitload of pizza. We have to get pizza now. There's no but. None of you push the back and out of this.
I want pizza, but I want good pizza. I don't want
I'll be honest,
Pizza Hut
I've had
shit.
3
What sort
pizzas
of-
this
what do you
week
want?
already.
Pizza Hut?
I don't want Pizza Hut. We have. So this is the loom for the injectors and all the plugs up on here. For your injectors, we pulled all that out and put it over here so it's out of the way. Gotten rid of all these plugs. They're all out the way. And the other thing we've done is if you come in here, you can see there's these 3 plugs. 1, 2, 3. And there's one on the bottom as well. They're all for the automatic transmission, and I've already pulled them all the way back to the box and unclipped them all. So when the box comes out, those leads will just fall out. We're pretty much ready to, just about ready to pull the engine out really.
Alright, push it in. Extend that. Yeah. Maybe we need to do one more. It doesn't weigh 500 kilos.
Keep going. Yep.
Yeah, that's better.
Oh, there you go.
Oh.
Your action's going to be low. We just jack it up a bit more so that your action in this section's higher. Yeah.
Oh, this engine mount is completely gone.
Yeah, it's on this side.
Like, is it broken?
Oh, nah. It was just being...
Alright, we're off the mounts, are we?
Hold on.
Oh!
It's broken.
Yeah. Has it always been like that?
What day
Is that the mysterious rattling?
Hold up, hold up, hold up. Is it hitting the top?
Not yet. Keep going.
Can you drag it out a tiny bit? Yeah, keep going forwards.
Oh,
It's hitting something.
Yeah.
Pull it forwards.
The extractors is the problem. Can you push it down towards the ground anymore?
Yeah, can't pull it down.
There you go.
Yeah, way better.
Damn hard.
Oh, damn.
Was that a bit of the mount that just fell off?
Yeah. We're gonna need all hands on deck now. Holding the engine and stuff. Because it's gonna swing
How much can you
around.
push down, Cam? Much or not much?
A little bit, yeah, heaps.
Alright.
You gotta pull. No. We're pushing down, Jim?
Yep. Is it scraping on the front at all?
Oh, hey, Jim, push it up. Jim.
Forwards if we can.
Drag it out a bit, drag it out a bit. Yeah, good.
Alright, just a sec.
I'm gonna let go,
Alright, forwards if you can.
Just a sec. Alright, slowly. Come a bit more. Probably just drop it here really. Drop the engine just here and then slide it where we want to.
Alright, so we just got the engine and transmission out, and it's getting pretty late, so now we're going to have a quick lunch break and then get back into it.
Quick.
I'm looking for the... Oh, I put it over here. We're leaking. Yeah.
Out the trans.
Lesson learned for when I do my conversion.
So there's this thing here, it's called a torque converter. And if the head mechanic did his research... No, it's alright.
Alright, continue.
Well, he should have known. There are bolts that come through the back of the flex plate into the torque converter. What's happening is this whole assembly is rotating as we try and turn that bolt. So to stop it rotating, we just put a bolt into the block, one of the bell housing bolts into the block, and we put this socket there jammed against the T. Do you want to move that bucket?
Just a sec.
Done up tight.
That's it. Can probably make that work. Yep.
Oh, is this the last one?
No, there's another one after this.
No, there's one. Oh, okay, yep. Sorry. Be careful because these actually are really heavy. It's 3.
It was 3. It was only 3 bolts.
Jacob almost lost his leg.
I wasn't filming. I
That
wasn't
must have
filming
been
that.
great.
Heaps.
Jacob, you're banned from doing this, man.
Good footage. Just hurry up and do
I
it.
feel like we're doing some hectic shit right now. It's everything.
Oh, what? The ease.
Do you want to come and hold this, Jamin, so we don't drop the flywheel on my foot?
You say it like it's Jamin's fault.
Oh, it only weighs 20 kilos.
This one's really light, isn't it?
Yeah. We should use this as a light and flywheel.
Dirty,
Nah.
lick my car all you want.
I will. I'll lick the clicker right now. You look.
Oil.
You look.
Yeah, prove you're not stupid.
Oh, look at.
Hey, that's not a lick. That is not a lick.
Tastes like bird poo, I'm not even kidding, man.
Look at. Oh, dude, a bird shat on that.